Hey guys, remember when I tried using a Korean sheet mask for the first time a couple weeks ago? Okay, so there's a slight problem. This is not fitting correctly. Well, today I am here to try it again because guess what? I didn't do it right. So my girl Jean is here to show me how to use a Korean sheet mask. Let's check it out. Okay, so Jean is here because I didn't know what I was doing and didn't follow the way that it's supposed to be
Well,
done.
I should have let you know, but maybe you didn't remember anyways because that's been 1 year.
Exactly. I had the mask for literally, it's been probably almost a year.
Yeah.
Before I actually used it,
Yep.
so maybe I forgot.
I
So
was surprised that you still kept it actually.
I've had it and I couldn't, I was like, I want to use this. So yeah. Well, I'm
good.
so glad that you're here today.
Yeah, but here we are.
Yes. So
And
Jean
you're gonna
is,
do it.
she's gonna show me how to use a Korean sheet mask the right way.
Yes, yes.
So it is a different brand, but it doesn't matter because it's not the brand, it's that I didn't know what I was doing.
But now I know that like why you were confused because I don't know, it seems like just mask. And who would know you got peeled off?
I was like messing with it going, is there another layer that I'm missing here? I didn't know what I was doing wrong.
It's really like all together. So yeah, but
Okay.
I think it has kind of different.
All right,
I
so
don't know.
show everyone
Okay.
how this is done.
So I would suggest you kind of like do this so that this sheet really like have all this essence.
Okay.
Like with it.
Okay, let's get the essence out. The essence.
Yeah. And you just open it.
Okay, and now we're gonna open it. Ooh, I
Oh,
got
you're-
stuff everywhere. That was really aggressive. Okay.
So
And then
now,
we take it
yeah,
out.
on this mask, you kind of see that like it's not supposed to be on your face as is.
Oh, really? It's obvious
You-
to you. Maybe not to
Okay.
some of us people out there that don't know.
Sorry. Baby
Okay.
steps.
So then
So-
we have the mask.
Yep.
And
no,
we-
no, not again. But
Not
okay,
again.
no. And just I usually do kind of like do this first.
Okay.
I don't know.
Okay. So put a little product on
Yeah.
first. All right. So we're gonna put some product on first. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, here, I'll push this back so I can get a little more on my forehead. Ooh, this one smells really good.
Right?
The other one smelled so
I
good
know. I can't stop smelling like just like smelling.
too. Okay, so you rub some on your face first.
Yeah,
And
and
then.
like you peel off
Oh.
like these supporting like paper thingy.
Okay. So there's a peel off on the. Oh, look at
There
that.
you go.
Okay. So this comes off.
Yep.
And so then this is going to be the side that goes on my face.
Right.
On the face, right?
And like just I want to show you how thin it is.
Okay. And the other side comes off too? Oh my god. Wow, I really feel like a total noob.
When I saw you put this paper on your face, I'm like, Rebecca, like, don't you feel like something is wrong
Yes,
there?
I did! I did feel like something was wrong. Oh my god. Okay. Oh no. It's in a ball. Okay, let me get it out.
This is why they put this paper around.
Look, I'm still failing. I'm just really
No,
bad
you're
at this.
doing good.
Okay.
Don't worry.
Oh, there's
Yeah.
the face part. All right. Help me out here. Okay, so then what?
That. Aw, you're so pretty with this mask.
Thank you. You're so sweet. Oh, this feels good.
Yeah.
It's like
It's a lot
soothing.
different than.
It's different than having plastic
Plastic.
on your face. Oh my gosh.
There you go.
Thank you. Wow, look at this. This is night and day difference between what I did
Sorry.
last time. No, do what
I
you
just
need. You
wanna
do what
put
you gotta
in
do.
all your.
Oh Oh man, this feels so good.
Does it?
Yeah, it feels like silk. It does.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm gonna go close to the camera
Yep.
so the camera can see. This is on my face.
I want you to do this, like
You wanted to kill me?
no, screenshot yourself from the like last video, and then we can compare how you look like.
I know. It's so
Yeah.
here.
Am I
let's
doing
get
okay?
you- Yeah, you're good. You have a fold here,
Okay.
so let's get you all the way to the edge. Wow, this is great.
It's just super thin.
It's super thin.
Yeah.
It's like light. It just feels like silky, smooth sheet mask on my face.
And you said you have never done like mask
No, never.
earlier? Okay.
No.
Maybe that's why you.
That's why I didn't know what I was doing, because I was
Mhm.
that was my first time ever using a
Yeah.
mask.
Because usually the sheet mask just they don't have this stuff because it is usually not thin as this.
Okay, so it's
So-
because these were a little thinner.
Yeah. So it was kind of special, and I gave you the special one. 'Cause I love you so much.
Well, thank you for giving me a second chance. A second chance of not just giving up on me and being like, listen, dingbat, what are you doing? Okay, let's get it around my mouth so I can talk to you.
Good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so then how long do we leave it on for?
Like I usually leave like 15 minutes. Like I don't care how good it is, cause you know if you do it too long, like they say that even like this essence goes out of the air, so like it makes your skin dry.
Okay.
So I do it like 15 minutes.
15
usually,
minutes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what does all this say?
It's like
Just
normal,
direction?
yeah, no, just
Normal
normal
direction?
thing. But
Okay.
it does tell you to
take
chill off.
Okay, so this just wash your face,
Wash your face.
put the mask
Put the
on.
mask on, and
and
15 minutes
take it
later,
off.
you're gonna be prettier.
That's what it says. Okay. Is there anything else that I should know that it says that I don't know?
Maybe the ingredient that you wanna know.
Oh yeah. What does it say? Is it like American stuff where it's like ditrimethylxylide?
Yeah, all this
Really?
stuff. Yeah.
Oh my god. Except
I don't know.
is this list? Is that ingredients or this
Yes, like this, all this.
one? Wow.
I can't tell
What does
you
this
in
say?
English. It's saying that like all this ingredient from like so this material from coconut. You
Okay.
know, like I don't know, like they make everything out of the coconut thing.
Okay. Okay. And then what does that one say?
It says this kind of like water thingy. They use Canadian like you know the cold water,
Okay.
whatever.
Okay.
And this ingredient from like aloe.
Aloe.
Aloe,
Oh,
yeah.
aloe vera.
And like eucalyptus, like
Okay.
some like plants.
You know, I do kind of like smell a little eucalyptus.
You do?
Yeah, just a little bit. It's not strong.
Yeah, that's what they say.
Oh, well, it feels good.
Yeah.
It's been a couple minutes and it
I'm
feels
glad
like
that you
it's-
like it.
I do. I knew I would if I did it right. Very cool. Extra balancing healing mask.
Oh, you can read
Moisturizing.
English.
Moisturizing, firming, and calming.
Yeah.
That's probably from the aloe and
And what I really like about this like specific product is it's not, what do I say? It is not harsh.
yeah,
Like
not harsh, crazy chemicals. or
right.
anything.
Yeah. It's kind
Yeah.
of like because my skin is really sensitive.
Okay.
So if I have certain stuff, I get like red dot on my face and
Yeah.
I got itchy and everything.
Yeah.
But I have never that experience.
Yeah. That's what well, you watched the video about the other one. I didn't have any allergies to that one either, which I
that's
liked.
good.
Yeah, I like the contents. I think that
Yeah.
they're used good ingredients.
Is your skin like usually sensitive to
Yeah.
many stuff?
Well,
Okay.
to what it depends on what
Yeah.
it is, but you never know. We were
Yeah, you
talking about
never
this
know.
before because I
Yeah.
don't know what ingredient is causing me allergy. I just fixed my mustache. Oh my god, yours is
Yeah, same.
because you're laughing and it's like stretching on the side.
let me fix it for you. Good.
I didn't time this though. I guess it's been 3 minutes. So we're gonna leave these on for 15 minutes and continue to laugh. So we'll see you in 15 minutes.
Yes, we'll be back.
Okay, so it's been 15 minutes and we're gonna take them off. I do have to tell you, well, I guess let's take them off first.
Okay, I mean, stop talking, Rebecca. Okay.
I have this one part,
Your
because
mustache part?
my mustache where I keep talking, and so now it is, I kept talking during this and it became this.
It's so funny.
All right, so we'll take them off.
Yeah.
You just take them off like this?
Yeah, just take it off.
Take it off. Ah. Ooh, look at your radiant skin. I love it.
So just you like to do.
Okay, so go like this.
Yeah. And I usually like put some like cream thing over it.
Moisturizer?
Yeah, like
Like a
or
cream,
like
like a
cream.
thicker
Yeah,
cream?
a little bit more thicker.
Okay.
Because people think that like it will go away through the air, so you kind of want to put more kind of thick.
Okay, to like
texture
lock it
thing.
in.
Yes.
Okay.
And you will see the difference tomorrow.
All right.
Yeah, I bet.
Well, this has been a night and day experience, like totally different than the first time, where I obviously
And you just
do
put
it
the
right,
paper.
and I just put paper on my face apparently. So this is totally different. This was so cool. It felt really good. We had nice, relaxing 15 minutes, and yeah, this is great. So let's get close to the camera. We'll show the camera our radiant faces. And yeah, oh my god, thank you so much for coming over and showing me how to use a sheet
I'm so glad you did it.
Oh my god, thank you. This has been great. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and the fact that we went back and did this over the right way. If you liked this video, throw us a comment. Let us know if you love sheet masks and if you learned something from this video. Hopefully, you know, this got you out of something because this has been helpful for me.
Yeah.
And if you are liking these videos, please subscribe and we will see you on the next one.
Yes.
Bye.
Bye.